Hello all, here at osandvtxreviews.com. You're watching our video review of the Pentax Optio. This is the 43W digital camera. The unique thing about the Optio lineup from Pentax is it's a very much rugged lineup of cameras, and this model is no exception. It's actually a water-resistant device that can withstand up to 1 meter of water for about 30 minutes, and that allows you to capture shots both underwater, and if you accidentally drop your device into water, or if you drop the device in general, it's going to survive much more likely than your traditional digital camera. To take a look at the design, it's also pretty unique because Pentax utilized a pretty square-like shape to make a very small camera overall. If we kind of zoom out, you can see the portfolio and size of this thing is very, very small. It's very easy to pocket and carry around with you, either hiking, biking, or if you're out on a trip, you want to take something that's a little bit less breakable than your traditional digital camera, then the Optio lineup is a good candidate. That said, all these advanced features come a little bit at a more expensive and steep price tag, and the 43W is actually priced at about $300, but it comes at a straight price about $100, so it's a lot more affordable. Taking a closer look at the design, we have this nice kind of rubberized material on the sides for gripability, and the plastic itself is actually made out of this gray material that we are fans of. This product is also made in Japan, so it has pretty good quality in terms of construction ability. The bottom of the device features the tripod stand, whereas the left-hand side or right-hand, depending on where you look at it, features the power jack where you can put in two AA batteries and also a full SD card for the memory of taking images. The right-hand side of the device features access to the charging port if you want to use rechargeable batteries, or you can also plug in a AV out port for you to plug in the device and view it on a monitor. The front of the device features the xenon flash, a LED indicator, and also have access to the viewfinder and also the lens. You'll notice that the device, since it's water resistant, has been coated in a layer of glass on the front, so it's also dust and waterproof. And as a result, when you're using the optical zoom, the lens is just going to zoom on the inside of the camera. It's not going to actually protrude outwards, which is something that's pretty interesting. The top right-hand side corner features the lanyard strap, which one is included in the box, and essentially that's it. On the back of the unit, you find access to the actual viewfinder, the digital one, which is a little bit small for our tastes, coming in about 1.8 inches diagonally. It's not the largest in the world, and we wish that Pentax would have made this a little bit larger, but you can use the viewfinder on top here. There's a mechanical zoom bar on the side here that's tactile, easy to press. You also have a voice record key, a mode for your camera flash, a scenery mode, and we also have a playback mode for our images and recorded video content. There's also a 5-way navigation toggle that's nicely designed, large, risen above the surface, and easy to press by feel. There's also a menu key for you to toggle along between the different options. The top of the device features access to the power on and off port and a simple 2-stage camera shutter key for autofocusing and taking those images. If we turn on the device, you can see that the product is pretty easy to turn on, and the speed of the product is pretty fast overall. As far as image quality is considered, we found the device is actually pretty on point as well. It's actually a pretty decent camera as far as performance is considered. I will say that the actual flash tends to kind of overexpose subjects a little bit if you are very much close by, but if you can always turn off the flash if you want to do that. As far as the ability to record video is considered, it's also a lot better than some other competitors out there. Kind of keeping in mind the fact that this camera, in terms of megapixels, is only about 4.5 or 5 megapixels. It's not super high, but your shots are adequate for most people's usages. Again, in terms of zooming, it's actually pretty good. We also have 3 times optical zoom and then 3 times digital zoom, so it's a pretty extensive zooming experience if you want to take some close-up shots for really quick action here and there. Overall, in terms of performance, again, you can view back your images, and we have to say that quality is actually pretty decent. You can go through a host of different modes, from settings to scenery modes, and we found that the images were generally pretty sharp, well saturated, and pretty impressive for the resolution and also kind of the experience that you can play around and toggle with. Overall, the Pentax Optio 43W is an excellent camera. If you're wanting something that's really rugged, adventurous to take out with you, and this is definitely something that you won't accidentally break if you drop it. And you can even take some shots in water. So if you're going in for a dive at the beach or something, you can take some images of fish underwater. Some disappointing facets of this device include the fact that the resolution isn't the highest out there, but still image quality tends to be pretty decent, and also the fact that you'll see that the viewfinder is on the smaller side of the spectrum. So if you're looking for something that's portable, rugged, and also offers extremely good build quality, then I think that the 43W from the Optio lineup from Pentax will more than do the trick. Thanks for watching this video review here at osandvtxreviews.com. This has been the Pentax Optio water resistant 43W digital camera.